Welcome back to the Chase of Waterfalls, August 2023. In Oregon, of course, where there are lots of Christmas trees behind me. All right, we're continuing this story right outside Silver Falls State Park, where there's this thing called the 10 Trails or 10 Falls or 10 something. Lots of waterfalls. It's warm. It's 8:30 in the morning and it's already to like 83 out here. So gonna work for a little bit longer until it gets too warm in the camper. So let's get that work done and then go find some adventure. Let's go. Adventure if you can. So it's starting to heat up a good bit in the camper. It's 95 in here. I think it's time to break camp and go find lunch. Let's get to it. Let's go find some lunch. Silverton, Oregon, where you can park for 2 hours for 50 cents. Let's go get lunch. I smell Thai food. Let's go check that out. All right, lunch was fantastic. Thai food is always good. Shockingly, I actually know how to make a little bit of Thai food. I know, it's weird, but I do know how to make some, and it's quite delicious. All right, let's go see what's next. Next on the chore list, as we're in civilization, is filling that propane. So let's go get that done. Oregon, where you don't have to fill your own gas.
We can.
You can.
They passed the law recently that you're allowed to self-serve.
Yeah, but I mean...
But if you don't want to, you don't have to.
I mean, it's a nice thing. Fuel's fuel. Fuel. Full. Propane's full. Let's go find that waterfall and hope it's a lot cooler there. It's like 93 right now. Hopefully it's cooler in the trees. Let's go. A cool just farm for flowers. I've never seen that before. Definitely not at peak yet, but that was still very cool. All right, let's continue to chase waterfall. All right, it's pretty hot out here. It's like 90 something. I picked 2 trails to do today depending on the heat, so we're gonna do this real short one here first to see if it's too hot. If that's not too bad, then we're gonna come back and we're gonna do this one up here to Double Falls. So let's go see how it goes. Bye, Clifford. See you soon. And we're here already. It's been like 5 minutes. So yeah, this was really close to the parking. Water. Oh, really. So this is North Fork Falls. Really cool. I was just about to throw the drone up and like climb that and realized I left the battery in the truck. Good thing it's really close. So I'm gonna stop by the Clifford and pick up the battery before we go to the next one. But this is really, really great. All right, let's go to the next one. Hi, Clifford. Batteries. Yay. Bye again, Clifford. Pretty cool you walk behind the waterfall. So this is North Falls. The first one was Upper North Falls, so this is pretty great. Let's see what's next. The openness of this canyon, you know, it's got shade from the trees and openness and all this water. It is a very zen feeling. I guess that's the best way to describe it. Like, it just feels very peaceful down here. Even though it's warm, like, it's not bad. This is pretty great. I recommend visiting this state park. But let's see what else is here. Check out the size of this tree. That is massive. Wow. So, right after I saw that tree, that line from The Princess Bride hit me. You know, I'm not saying that I want to build a summer home here, but the trees are quite lovely. All right, that one over there is Middle North Falls. Let's keep going. That's a better view of the Middle Falls. And Great Falls. So this is Double Falls, which apparently is dried up. So, no fancy Double Falls today. And with that disappointing waterfall, and about 3 miles in, I think it's time to head back, make our way back to Clifford. We're going to go a little different way and try to hit one more different falls, and maybe even get a little bit more drone footage. All right, let's head back before we cook out here. Doesn't it look like that fern is waving? Like it's waving at the water. Hi, water, I miss you. And that was a closer look at Drake Falls. Let's see which one is next. And just to let you guys know, the back of my shirt was soaked with sweat. It is quite warm here. That's much better. All right, let's find some more waterfalls. that's a closer look at Middle Falls. Very, very nice. I'm very glad that we came to hike these waterfalls today. We, I mean me, myself, and I, and Clifford, who's hanging by, you know, a couple miles from here. All right, let's keep going back. Back on the canyon trail. These trees are so big. Like so big of trees. So this is supposed to be Winter Falls. Looks like it's also dried up, just like Double Falls. Maybe this side of the river only has water certain times of the year. So maybe, you know, if I didn't live so randomly and did research and planning, maybe they would have water too. But anyway, the whole thing is very beautiful. Let's keep seeing what else is out there. I'm really glad I took the other trail on the way in. Right next to the water, it was a lot cooler and just more scenic. I mean, the trees are nice for sure, but it's kind of next to the road. I don't know, it doesn't feel as in the woods. Keep hearing cars. So there you go. Advice, walk by the water, maybe both ways. But I wanted to check out that other waterfall that was dried up. All right, let's keep going. I see Clifford down there. So today's hike was Hi Clifford. I don't know if any of y'all do this as well, but when I'm leaving somewhere and I already have a pass that's good for the rest of the day or rest for like an hour or two, I leave it for the next person. I figure, why not help somebody out? So let's leave this for the next person. So that is Silver Falls State Park. Silver Falls? I think that's where it is. In Oregon, of course. I finally got some waterfalls. My feet are tired. Did about 5.5 miles, but it's warm. Let's go find somewhere north and cooler. Probably doesn't show up very big right now, but you also have to realize that I'm 32 miles away still. That's how big Mount Hood is. Mount Hood is huge. Huge, huge, huge. Really looking forward to it. Let's go there. All right, let's go find camp now. Well, all right, finally made camp here, right with a nice view of Mount Hood, which definitely will show you tomorrow better. But in the meantime, I'm going to get some dinner going on. I'm going to put this on the roof, so hopefully we'll get some nice stars over Mount Hood. Let's give it a shot. Good morning. Wasn't the stars last night really good? I was very happy with that. Got plenty of shooting stars. This is a great camping area, I think. So funny. You know, sometimes I'll level with rocks. Last night, I should have recorded it. Like, it was very difficult trying to get up on these rocks. Kept slipping off. I'd say it probably took me, hot minute. Thankfully I got up there and we are level 0, so I'm very happy about that. It is Thursday. It's a work day. Got some meetings today and get to make the magic. So this adventure continues, and then we're going to look into some kind of hike up there maybe. All right, let's get to it. So it's raining again. Thankfully it's not a big thunderstorm like it was, like a week or so ago. When even was that? Whenever Leslie Clutch was in this story, then was a big storm. This is just a light rain. It's kind of cool that there's still snow up there on that mountain. Can you believe it, right? It's August, it's mid-August, and there's still snow in that mountain. All right, still working here, about to have lunch, and then hopefully this rain's gonna let up and I'm gonna either go for a walk or a bike ride or something. Let's find out. It's been cloudy and raining all day, and of course we know what that means. You rely on the sun to do everything, so power is really low. So I'm running the truck. I'm gonna go for a walk. I don't really like hanging out in the camper when the truck is running. I mean, I don't think a lot of the exhaust goes in there, but still not good. And we're beside this great mountain, so take a break, let the truck running. Let's go find out what's next to this mountain. This would be a really nice road to drive Clifford up. Too bad the gate was locked. I wonder if it's ever open. Maybe it's seasonal. I don't know. But very cool road for sure. Looks like this trail goes up for a minute. All Trails comments said to do the trail in reverse order if you wanted to avoid this very steep hill. But I didn't really want to do the whole circuit. So I was like, we'll see how steep this hill is. It's pretty steep. I had to stop like twice already. Whew. Or maybe I'm just out of shape. Who knows? Let's keep going. I'll definitely say yesterday's hike, I feel it today. So it's made a little shorter hike today. Gonna go ahead and turn around here, but first let's throw the drone up and see what kind of pretty landscape we can get from above. Let's go. Well, that was pretty nice, I think. Let's head back from this short hike and get out of these bugs. Like, while I was getting that drone footage, like these little tiny gnats were just like flying all over me. So looking forward to getting away from these trees that maybe they live in. Let's hike back. Let's get one more shot of this river and, you know, Mount Hood, which is just fantastic behind it, and see if it looks good. All right, I'm glad we stopped for that. I think that second shot was really nice. All right, let's get back and check on Clifford. Clifford, still running. Well, that was a nice little walk, I think. And running Clifford for about an hour. Got about 15% more power. So it should be enough to last through the night, I hope. Man, whew, it's very pretty here and nice and cool. Like, it's 73 degrees right now versus it was 100 down hiking in the waterfalls yesterday. Yeah, there we go. All right, and with that amazing feat and great scenery, I'm going to go ahead and close part 7 of the Chase of Waterfalls, another adventure in Oregon. I will catch you guys up on the next episode, where I already found another waterfall for us to adventure to. Until then, have a great day.